Oh, you thought we were going out like that? Oh, no, 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 baby. We got to put some makeup on this face. So we're going to go in with our Baby Skin Poreless Eraser, and we're going to rub that all over our face. Then we're going to go in with our Fenty by Rihanna, and we're going to put it on our sponge, and we're going to go in and we are going to dab it all over our face. You never want to wipe, you always want to dab. I'm going to make sure we get every crevice, every piece of our face has to be covered with our Fenty. Yes, baby, yes. You can see here I am jamming. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I just, muted the music and I'm just jamming, boo. As I am still putting on my Fenty by Rihanna. This is our CoverGirl highlight color. You want it to be at least 1 or 2 shades lighter than you. When you contour, you want it to be at least 1 or 2 shades darker than you. So we're going to go ahead and with our highlighter. You want to make sure you do your T-zone with this. And you want to dab it around your eyes, nose, chin. You want to make sure you get your T-zone area, because this is going to give you that glow, that highlight when you go out in the sun, baby. Yes. That sun is going to hit that highlight and you're going to see it glow. That's exactly what you wanted to do. Next, we are going to contour. We are going to contour our forehead, our cheeks, all around our face. And it's just to give us that skinnier look. You want your face to be more defined. So when you contour and just go ahead and it gives your face that Bill, we want that So you see me contouring around my forehead, cheekbones. You want to outline the nose, make sure you get that area, and always remember, dab, never wipe. Always dab. So to keep that on, we're going to go on with our Fenty Natural, and we're going to spray it on. And this is by Wet n Wild. And this is so we know that makeup ain't going nowhere, boo. Here we have our Fit Me Pressing Powder by Maybelline. And most people just press where they concealed or where they contoured. I press my full face, boo. I put that pressing powder all over my face, because I love the finishing look after I press my whole face. So I make sure I go in and I press everything and don't want to miss nothing. I love the finishing look of it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dust off the extra pressing powder. All that extra, boo, we want it off. Then we're going to go back into our makeup bag, and we are going to go ahead and put some mascara on. I did not have any lashes, so I just said bump it. I'll just use my mascara, and yeah. So I'm just putting mascara on my lashes, and yes, boo, they're looking cute. So we're going to go back in and mist our face. And this is to keep our makeup in place. That joint is not moving. It's not going nowhere, boo. And I'm just fanning it, making sure it's dry. Here we have our lipstick by Revlon in the color Nude Fury. And it is looking so cute and so nude. Finishing look in 3, 2, 1. Yes, boo, we did that. Love the look. Press that like, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.